If you're into woodworking, you've probably heard of Woodpeckers Tools. They're known as one of the best brands out there for carpenters, remodelers, and professional woodworkers. That's why we decided to put together a list of 10 Woodpeckers tools that truly stand out and can take your projects to the next level. Woodpeckers folding saddle squares. Laying out dovetail joints can feel like a nerve-wracking game of don't mess it up. The Woodpeckers folding saddle squares help you get those layout lines perfect every single time. These tools fold around your workpiece, letting you mark lines across edges and faces with zero guesswork. Each square is milled after assembly to ensure flawless alignment, eliminating the tiny errors that can ruin a joint's fit and appearance. The tension hinge feels solid without being stiff, and the laser engraved scales are clear even in a dim shop. Available in both standard and mini sizes, these squares are a reliable companion for cross-dowel joinery, angled bridle joints, and spline layouts on hex boxes. You can mark table legs, multi-sided frames, or tricky angle project with confidence, knowing your lines will stay precise, your joints will fit tighter, and your finished work. Squinting at tiny ruler marks while setting up your table saw can drive anyone crazy. The Woodpecker 6-in-1 pocket gauge steps in to simplify your setups and checks without the headaches. This compact tool fits easily in your apron pocket, yet it packs 6 functions: height gauge, depth gauge, center finder, protractor, flat rule, and square. Machined from stainless steel with clear laser etch scales, it gives you precise measurements in seconds. The sliding bar locks securely so you can repeat setups without shifting, helping you maintain consistency while saving time during adjustments. It comes in 3-inch and 6-inch versions, making it handy for everything from checking router bit heights to marking dowel centers on furniture projects. This tool helps you ditch the guesswork, letting you dial in accurate measurements for cleaner cuts, tighter joinery, and smoother builds. Getting cabinet angles right can make or break a project, and that's where the Woodpecker's Indexable Joiners Combination Squares come into play. Each square features a stainless steel blade in 6-inch or 12-inch lengths with indexable notches that lock at common angles like 45 and 90 degrees without shifting out of place. The CNC machine cast aluminum head feels solid in your hand, while the laser engraved scale remains clear even after heavy shop use. A built-in bubble level helps check for plumb alignment quickly, and a scribe pin lets you mark lines on the go without reaching for another tool. This square becomes a trusted companion when building frames, setting up machines, or laying out joinery on projects that demand precision. Using this square makes your layout work faster, your angles cleaner, and your builds look as professional as you've planned. Here's a simple tool that saves you a ton of hassle: the Woodpecker's Add an Inch block. Instead of doing mental math every time you need to add an inch to your fence or stop, you just place this block and you're good to go. This small yet mighty block is machined from aluminum and finished with laser-etched markings accurate within thousandths of an inch. It has a non-slip base and knurled edges, making it easy to handle while setting fences, stops, or router bit heights. The block comes in handy when cutting multiple boards to the same length, or when you need to add an inch for clean reveals on a cabinet. It helps keep your workflow smooth by ensuring your cuts stay consistent across repetitive setups, saving time and frustration while keeping your projects on track. Sketching out curves for a chair back, a round table, or a decorative inlay can get tricky without a clean layout, and the Woodpecker's Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL handle that need beautifully. These stainless steel compasses draw precise circles from 1 inch to 7 inches, or up to 12 inches with the XL version, letting you create consistent curves every time. The Precision Ground Pencil Holder ensures clean lines, while the knurled adjustment knob locks the radius securely without slipping mid-draw. A built-in center finder helps you position your starting point accurately, ensuring your layout is dead center and ready for cutting or routing. Lightweight and compact, the compass fits easily into your apron pocket, ready for quick layout work on any curve design you need to add to your woodworking projects. Dialing in perfect 45-degree cuts for frames can feel like a balancing act if your setup isn't precise, but the Woodpecker's Indexable miter gauge makes it straightforward and consistent. This miter gauge uses a stainless steel scale with indexable stops that lock securely at commonly used angles, helping you maintain repeatable accuracy across multiple cuts. The CNC machine aluminum head feels sturdy, and the low-profile design fits easily with most miter saws or table saws while staying clear of the workpiece. Laser-etched markings on the scale remain visible even with frequent shop use, and the adjustable design fits standard 3/4-inch miter slots with zero play. This gauge is perfect for setting up miters, crosscuts, and angled joinery for furniture and frames, helping your cuts stay accurate and your project edges line up cleanly. If you ever needed to mark joinery on thick table legs without messing up your lines, the Woodpecker Straddle Squares are exactly what you need. Designed to wrap around material up to 2 inches thick, these squares feature laser engraved scales and pencil guide holes to ensure your line stays straight and true on all sides. The anodized aluminum body keeps the tool lightweight while providing durability for regular shop use, and the saddle design allows you to mark across faces without shifting. Available in both standard and large sizes, these squares are ideal for marking dowel placements, tenons, or mortise layouts. By using the Straddle Square, you get crisp, aligned marks that help your joinery fit precisely while speeding up your layout workflow. Measuring wide cabinet panels or checking frame diagonals can be tricky, but the Woodpecker's Modular Bar Gauge system makes it simple for one person to handle. This system uses adjustable aluminum bars paired with stainless steel tips to measure spans up to 48 inches with accuracy down to 1/1000th of an inch. The modular design lets you configure for inside or outside measurements with quick adjustments, and the locking mechanism ensures your setting holds firm without slipping. Weighing under 2 pounds, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver while providing the stability you need for accurate checks. It is perfect for measuring diagonals on cabinet frames, checking panel squareness, or verifying gap consistency, giving you confidence that your large-scale projects will come together with clean, square assembly. Laying out complex angles for custom shelves or furniture often leads to guesswork, but the Woodpecker's Protractor Tsquare takes the stress out of the process. This tool combines a T-square with a protractor head that adjusts smoothly from 0 to 180 degrees, allowing you to mark angles quickly and accurately. The CNC machined aluminum body paired with a stainless steel blade ensures durability while keeping the tool lightweight and easy to handle. Laser-etched scales remain clear and readable even after heavy use, and the pencil guide holes help you draw clean lines with precision. The non-slip edge keeps your tool in place while marking sheet goods or hardwoods, allowing you to lay out accurate angles for cuts without shifting or smudging lines, helping your angled furniture or custom panels fit together precisely. If you're working on a box joint and need to mark multiple faces without messing up, the Woodpecker's 3D Multimarking Square is your secret weapon. This innovative tool allows you to mark 3 faces of your material at once, ensuring your lines align precisely where they need to be. Made from anodized aluminum, it remains lightweight while providing durability for everyday shop use. Laser engraved scales and guide holes offer clear markings that won't fade over time, letting you maintain accuracy on each mark you make. The 3D design makes it easy to handle even when working on complex joinery projects like decorative boxes or intricate furniture. Using the square helps keep your layouts sharp, your joints tight, and your projects looking clean and professionally finished without the hassle of rechecking marks on every face. So, that's our rundown of the best Woodpeckers tools that will make tough jobs easy. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.